I don't know why she passed away, guys, but maybe the litter wasn't meant to be, you know? I ain't gonna lie. This video's pretty hard to make. Looking back on all the footage. I gave her the best life, for sure. Yeah, Luna gonna protect her. For sure, right? For sure. Lulu used to be scared of her, but now she Alright, we bad to the bone.
Smell.
What you better smell? Lulu!
He said smell.
Come here, mama.
Stop.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Lulu. Lulu lemon drop, Lulu shit. What you doing, fatty? Man, I'm excited for this, man. Look at them. Too busy. We got these English bulldogs on the way. Looking crazy, man. Look at this. Loaded. Real loaded. Lulu. You better throw me some males and some crazy females. Listen. Lulu ready for that baby dance. Lulu. And the day she wasn't happy, man. She was so sweet. She'll get jealous if you even get near me. Rest in peace, Lulu, man. I know I had a lot of people waiting on the waiting on the bulldogs and all that, but no bulldogs coming no more, man. Damn. She wasn't even 2 years old, man. She was so sweet, for real. Rest in peace, Lulu. I'm post again Monday, but I don't got any content coming. I had a lot of content planned. If the puppies were born, we had a lot of footage that we were gonna record. The whole process of whelping it. Yeah, we're gonna see them transform and all that. But hey man, I'm playing some other stuff. I still got my teddy litter. I'm finna go get Tiffany pregnant. Hopefully all of that goes good, man. You know, it's always a risk when you're breeding a female. Damn. You know, I don't got no kids or family, so, you know, I love my dogs, man. I love them for real. And those are my kids, you know. I'll see y'all Monday.
Read the beat.
So look. So this is Tiffany right there. She's the one that's gonna get pregnant. She's a Merle covered in cream. And I'm breeding her.